Today I will be showing you how to use the CAD software to create a civilian persona for RP use. First thing you are going to need is a link to the CAD. Sorry. The link to the CAD can be found in this video description or in the Discord server. Once you have the link, please put it into your preferred browser. Commonly, this will not load the first time. If you are using Chrome, that is highly preferred. Continue with sign up as normal and make sure to tick that you are not a robot. Once that is done, you will log in. Logging in is relatively simple. You click the login button. Once in, to create a civilian persona, you will go to Patrol, select Civilian, Next, select the server, Next, and manually enter an identifier. I choose to type in Civ. This can vary and you can do whatever you would like. Once in, you will be presented with a civilian persona list. For fresh starts, you will not have any names in here. For testing purposes, we are going to create a new persona. This persona will need a name, and it will need a weight, a height, a race, date of birth, gender, hair color, occupation, and address. Addresses can be obtained from in-game using the map. Once you are done, click on your new persona. You will be prompted to create a medical profile. Inside of this medical profile, you can add medical conditions, allergies, medications, medical notes, your blood type, and whether or not you're an organ donor. These simply go for RP purposes and to make sure that we are able to help your character in game. Once done with that, you are to go to the licensing center, and by default, all of your licenses are set to none. If you would like a driver's license, select valid. If it is expired or suspended, you can have RP consequences if you were driving. These other licenses pertain to specifically what you wish to do. The most common ones to have selected are going to be your driver's and your firearms license. Hunters will use the hunting, boaters will use the boating, and pilots will use the pilots. Under the Judicial System tab, this will show your character's previous arrests, warrants, and traffic violations. Under the Vehicles tab, you can put your vehicle in here. In here, this is how cops are able to look up your vehicle history and who the owner is. If your vehicle is stolen, this is how they get it back. Make sure to select your registration and insurance appropriately to your RP setting. Under firearms, it is easier than setting up a vehicle. Simply put in the gun and you will select a color for your gun and you will click create new firearm. Once done with that and any other small edits under personal or medical, you will simply start RP. In another video, I will show you how to do policing. Start priority is whether or not you were raiding a bank or doing something that is in RP a lot different than a normal traffic stop. Thank you and have a great day.